Welcome to Age Verification. We're going to discuss the requirement for Joule Enhanced Access Controls. Basically, Joule requires that the Age Verification will only allow you to sell 2 devices or 4 pods on a single order. And the Joule Access Controls are automatically built into Age Verification Pro if you have Tier 3 or higher. And so if you type Setup Joule EAC, it's just going to tell you to make sure you visit the Joule Labs website so that you can basically turn in your certification with Joule. But but basically the requirements are already met. And so like if you go to the register, you try to purchase a Joule, let's say a device kit right here, okay? It's going to tell you, let me go ahead and just start this over so you can see it from the beginning, okay? But so basically if you buy a Joule product, like say a device kit, then it's going to tell you it's automatically enforced. Please scan the ID. You can scan the ID. We do meet the Joule requirement to check the expiration date as well as the birth date. We print all the information. If the card is expired, it won't allow the sale. Okay, and so this will meet all the requirements for Joule. If you need to hand input the now here, let me go ahead and show you. If you try to buy a second item, see it's going to limit it and tell you no. It's going to remove the item from the order. Okay. Now, if you needed to hand enter a birth date or something for Joule, you can still do that. What you have to do is provide a manager ID, and then once you enter the manager PIN, then you're going to get access to be able to enter the expiration date as well as the birth date, and so it'll work the same way. But this is a requirement. If you have Joule Enhanced Access Control, then all of your items, you're not going to be able to hand input the birth date without first adding the manager, the manager PIN code. Okay. Now, what you want to do if you don't have to do any other setup for the enhanced access controls for the for the Age Verification app itself. But if you go to our website, that's agv.helpsite.com. If you go there, you'll see there's a link. It says, "How do I certify for Joule Enhanced Access Controls?" You can click on that link, and that will give you basically a link to the Joule video. And so if you go to the Joule video, you can watch that video, and that video is going to basically walk you through what Joule requires for you to turn in to prove that you're certified or that you're okay with the requirements for Joule EAC as far as they're concerned. Okay, that's all you got to do. If you have any further questions, just email help@appheaven.us. That's help, HELP, at appheaven.us. Thanks.